How to show WhatsApp status to one person. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your WhatsApp status with only one person. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply select settings. And once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as privacy. Now here in the privacy settings, you need to find and tap on the option labeled as status. And now here by default, your status updates might be visible to all your contacts. But to show WhatsApp status to one person, you need to tap on only share with option, and from here you need to include the one person that you want in your contact list to share your status. So once you have chosen the person, simply confirm your selection, and once you have done that, now only the selected person will be able to see your status updates, and you can change these settings anytime to add or remove contacts as needed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.